Yo everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a great day. Okay, now thank you everybody for watching this channel. And if you get one or two things, please tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, and please push the like button. So today we're going to do the recap of what happened last week and what we're expecting for the next coming week, which is the first week in the new month, because we just finished a month last week. So now this is the beginning of a new month, and the first trading day is Monday, and the first trading week for the new month is tomorrow. So it's next week. So now let's jump into what happened last week. Last week we can do a recap of last week, or I'm thinking we should do a recap of what happened for the whole month, but the video will be long. So for you to understand what happened the whole month, you can go back to all my GBPAUD videos and check so you can flow with it. So now let us jump into, oh, I'm already on the weekly basis. Cool. All right. Now, first thing we I used to do is to do the top down analysis. Top down analysis. Now, looking at this top down analysis, I'm going to start from the week because I'm going to do a recap. Now, looking at this, this is the last week candle, and this is the one before this. So try to check my analysis for this on last week, and the prediction for this on my last video also. So I will just go on what happened last week. So if you can step on a daily basis, no, let me mark this out because I'm going to deal with it. Okay, this is the current month. This is the last week. I want to do the recap. Now let's go to the daily basis. On a daily basis, this is Monday. Even looking at it, Monday have already even given us like, yeah, we're good to go because we've been breaking some points here. Monday give us a high which is above this. This is like a bullish engulfing candle that close above these two down candles. So Monday already giving us like above it. Then Tuesday we do the run up. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday was like, let's go. So now looking at this point here, so on Tuesday, I already said I'm looking for my price to take the price from here also. So let's mark it up because we have this bearish engulfing candle here, and price have already broken above it. So we are good. So on Thursday, on 4 hours, looking on 4 hours. If you look here on Friday on my last video, I said something which is occurs on 2 hours. I said anytime you see a chart pattern like this occurring at the point of resistance, the price is about to, this is like a 50% of the movement. So actually on Monday we see a little bit of gap and price was consolidating. Then I have to mark this place out. See, so from there on Tuesday, price was taking up to the upside down. So, and we've been creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So we are at this point here where we are stuck on Friday. It's not a stock, but because we have a movement on Friday, then price was doing sideways consolidation on 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour. To me, this is a consolidation. Okay, that's it. That's it for the last week. Now, what are we expecting for the this coming week? Let me remove this drawing. And notice I said something. It's the first week of a new month, and it will be a first trading day for the new month. So now we have to do our top down analysis coming from a monthly candle. So looking at this monthly candle, what have we been doing? We've already broken this place. We have an old high here. We have an old high at this point. So the very first important stuff is to mark out this weakness that we see in price. Yeah. Now bring it to the future. So once we bring it to the future, then we'll see what the price is doing at this point here. Now I need to lock it. Yeah, lock it down. So looking at here also, now price have already broken close above the last month. This last month was the body close above this, so it's also important. Mark out the body close. Yeah, we just need to mark this out. Yeah, let me change the color to some blue. Let's go with blue. So I need to lock this also. Yeah. Now let's step down to the weekly candle, because now looking at this, I'm not expecting too much of retracement back to the downside and go. No, price is not going to do that because price have already done all the retracement at this point. I'm expecting continuation to the upside as a new month. I'm expecting continuation now. And looking at the last week, we've seen that okay, now buyers are in control. Buyers are in the market, pushing the price up. Now looking here, we have this body close over here, which is also, and also remember this weakness that we just broken above. We need to mark it out also. We need to mark this out also. But at the back of your mind, remember that the price is on an uptrend. The price is now on an uptrend. We are not dealing with like any retracement to the downside or blah blah blah. So as we mark this place out now, what we are looking for is like a okay. If I can do the last week recap now, what we're expecting for next week, I'm expecting next week should be a continuation to the upside to break above this very well. Should be a continuation to the upside. So let me go back to this point. Do we have any point of like, okay, that we think price might go back from? Okay, looking at this now, we have this long bearish engulfing candle that close below 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. So I need to mark out this point. This is like a crucial point for me. I need to mark out this dying candle. Yeah, I need to mark it out. So what is the price doing at that point when I go back to the future? Now going back to the front now, yeah, price is almost there. So what I'm expecting price is like, I'm on Monday, I'm expecting a continuation to the upside. Then I have to see a reversal pattern to the downside. It might occur next week, or it might occur next week. But the new week we're coming, I'm looking for a continuation to the upside to break above this within this region, then look for a reversal pattern to this region here. Price is still coming to this region, but on Monday, Tuesday, I'm expecting something to like continuation to the upside. Then we might come here. It should be like something like this. Price will continue up. Then we can see a little bit of retracement down to this point. Then price will continue up because it's a new month. So and that this is the first week in the month. So we should be expecting manipulation also, and we should be expecting a little bit of consolidation in the market. So once we have that at the back of our mind, anything the price is doing, we are still flowing with our uptrend, knowing the overall movement is uptrend. So looking at this on 4 hours, I'm still looking for an uptrend because now here, what we're doing here is like, actually, at this point here, what the price is doing here is price is trying to take a rest. Price is just trying to take a rest, and which might be like a rest that will make the price to continue to the upside. So for everybody here, now I will choose my trade to be like a continuation to the upside on 2 hours. 2 hours is also cool. We see something on 2 hours. So on Monday, let's see what the price is going to do. Once we don't break below this strong consolidation here, once we don't see any candle close below it, because once we see a candle close below it, we might already see uh, a candle close below it, then we might see a little bit of retracement back to this point and go. But I'm looking at this strong point. Price might come to this blue line and go up, so we still continue. Okay, my bias is continuation to the upside. So my entry, where's my entry? Like you might be asking, where will I put my entry to? So looking at this point, my entry will be somewhere. Let me see, 4 hours. 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours. We're still good. Now we have this up candle here. We have this up candle here, which is also equivalent to the 9, which is also in confluence with the 9 I drew here. So I'm looking for entry at this region here. Depends on what the price. Maybe if you have a long gap, it depends on the gap or the chart pattern. But we're still on the uptrend. So entry somewhere around there. This is my entry. My entry is somewhere around there. My entry will be somewhere around there because I'm looking for continuation to the upside on Monday. My entry somewhere around there, and Tuesday entry around there, Then in the middle of the week, maybe Wednesday, Thursday, I'm looking for a reversal to like reversal a little. So Monday continuation, Tuesday continuation, then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I might see a little bit of reversal to the downside. So look for TP at this point, and look for a reversal pattern at this area down to this point. So on Monday you have to be careful, check your chart pattern very well before you jump into the market. So but we're still on a continuation. Don't say the prices have already moved last week like 400 pips. Nah, we still continue our movement to the upside, but you might see a little bit of retracement because now we have a smooth movement, up movement. We might see a little bit of higher lows to be created, to be formed. So but on Monday we see a little bit of higher lows continue, then we see movement, then we're still coming back to this point. Just put it at the back of your mind, we're still coming back to this point. But price is going to continue to break this high, this old high over here, this old high, sorry, okay, this old high here and here. Price is still going to like continue to break it because now we haven't broken it very well. Now price is going to break it clearly. Now once price broken it clearly, then we might see a reversal to this area here. But it won't happen immediately because they want you to forget. Price might come here. Price might okay continue broken it to the upside. Now come back to the highs. This high here, come here, then come here, then try to break this low. Confusing people that okay the price is now shifting structure. No, this is not shifting structure. This is the major retracement that price is coming to. Then we will see our continuation to the upside. So if you enjoyed this video, or you want us to share ideas, or you want me to go clarify more things, you can please put it in the comment section. Let's grow together, and thank you very much. Have a lovely week and God bless. Bye.